When logged into Netflix, left-click on the Manage Profiles button. The profile images have changed. A pencil is now visible. Left-click on the profile you want to modify. Under Preferences, click with the left mouse button on Subtitle Appearance. The first thing you see is a preview of how your subtitles will appear. Under the preview box on the left, you can adjust the font. The box next to the font, you can adjust the color of the subtitles. If you go to the shadow box and click with the left mouse button, you get in the submenu 4 options to set the shadow. Try out the options. If you choose an option, you will immediately see the change in the preview box. Next to the shadow box, you can change the color of the shadow. You can also change the size of the font. You can do this in the text size option. You have 3 options: small, medium, and large. If you click on the background option, you can set a color to be displayed behind your subtitle, as you can see in the preview box. As an example, I set the background to black and changed the color of the subtitle to yellow. Finally, we have the window option. Again, you can set different colors. As an example, I have chosen the color red. In the preview box, you can see the effect of this option. It may be that you have changed so much, but you do not like the changes. Click on the Reset to Default button, and you can start over again to adjust your subtitles. Once you have everything set the way you like it, click the Save button to save all the changes. Remember that these settings will be used on all the devices you watch Netflix on.